Thaco Forland FD250 DPF EGR Delete. Vehicle information. Brand Thaco Forland. Model FD250. Engine type Quangchai. ECU Bosch EDC17C63. Service DPF plus EGR Delete. Problem: check engine light on, the truck in Derate mode. Solution: DPF and EGR were disabled by modifying the ECU file. After that, the modified file was written in bench mode.